Oftentimes when we remove a lesion, and oftentimes the larger the lesion, the more pronounced effect, it can have far-reaching effects on health. It can, and sometimes, oftentimes quite surprising effects in terms of just improving the overall health.
I would imagine you have probably, over your course of time with this, seen some experiences of people and just scratched your head going, I had no idea you would feel this much better just from removing this little lesion.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah, and I'm continually amazed by just the effectiveness of this treatment. And I offer in my practice, I don't, this skin lesion removal is just one treatment that I offer. I also offer a lot of more traditional chiropractic as well as functional medicine treatments. And so I see a lot of different, I applied a lot of different therapeutic means, and I see a lot of different responses across the board. And without a doubt, this skin lesion removal, hands down, is the most consistently effective, and really with bringing really positive results that sometimes are just absolutely unexpected and surprising in a positive way.
That's so cool.
Yeah,
it's like I would imagine you might have a sense of like being on the cusp of something really great and wonderful there with that.
It feels like it. It feels like as this spreads, and I mean, it's really just by word of mouth. Is we haven't needed to do any marketing, because once you've experienced this and you've really noted the results and experienced it for yourself, then I find that every patient becomes a proponent, and they said, they can think of 10 friends right off the top of their head who could really benefit from this. The birthmarks just came into my mind, and oftentimes people say, it's I was born with this, and so in their mind they think, okay, well, that's just the way it is, and if I was born with this, then this is just normal. Well, the truth is, your life didn't begin when you came out of the womb. You had 9 months of development before then, and if you're born with a birthmark, that's a sign that there was some abnormality. Not necessarily, not. In most cases, it's not a tragic flaw, so to speak. But there's something went wrong. Something went a little bit haywire in the development. So why not remove that birthmark? Why not improve? Why not take that step back? In utero, and make that improvement and really support the body in that way.